Demystifying phrasal verbs in passive voice. Hello there! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to delve into the exciting world of phrasal verbs in passive voice, specifically within the context of past continuous tense. This is a part of our advanced usage and exceptions in passive voice. So, let's get started. Before we jump into the main topic, it's essential to understand what phrasal verbs are. A phrasal verb is a verb that is combined with an adverb or a preposition. The combination creates a meaning different from the original verb. For example, give up means to quit, which is different from the meaning of give alone. Now that we understand what phrasal verbs are, let's see how we can use them in the past continuous tense. Remember, the past continuous tense is formed by was or were, followed by a present participle, verb plus ing. For instance, he was giving up his old habits. Here, was giving up is a phrasal verb in past continuous tense. Now, let's take it one step further by introducing passive voice. In the passive voice, the subject receives the action. Using our previous example, we can say, his old habits were being given up by him. Let's consider some more examples to make this clear. 1. Active. They were calling off the meeting. Passive. The meeting was being called off by them. 2. Active. He was putting off his homework. Passive. His homework was being put off by him. 3. Active. We were looking after the kids. Passive. The kids were being looked after by us. While most phrasal verbs can be used in passive voice, some cannot. This is usually the case for intransitive phrasal verbs, which do not have a direct object. For example, the phrasal verb, wake up, cannot be used in passive voice because you cannot say, I was being woken up by, without sounding odd or incorrect. Additionally, remember that passive voice is often used when the actor, doer, is unknown, irrelevant, or needs to be de-emphasized. So, while it's important to know how to form phrasal verbs in passive voice, it's equally important to use them judiciously to ensure your sentences are clear and effective. And that's it. We hope you now feel more comfortable using phrasal verbs in passive voice in the past continuous tense. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, try creating your own sentences using what we've learned today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.